Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
From this position on the pedestrian bridge beside New York, New York, we have a clear view north along Las Vegas Boulevard. This stretch of roadway marks the beginning of one of the most recognized skylines in the world, lined with resorts that represent different eras of development on the Strip. Directly ahead, the towers of the Park MGM rises with their modernized exteriors, sitting on the site of what was once the Monte Carlo. Further beyond, the Skyline steps upwards towards the central strip, where the silhouettes of tall properties begin to layer behind one another. Each building along the corridor marks a distinctive phase in how Las Vegas reshaped itself over the decades. From this overpass, the layout of the southern strip becomes easy to appreciate. The alignment of the resorts follow the natural curve of Las Vegas Boulevard as it bends slightly towards the center of the city. The elevated monorail track runs between these major properties as part of the internal transportation system that links many of the MGM-owned resorts together, creating a network between the southern hotels. Looking further north, the concentration of architecture grows denser. The mid-strip properties sit behind one another in stacked layers, forming the ridges of towers that most visitors associate with Las Vegas. This uninterrupted line of hotels, restaurants, theaters, and shopping centers form a continuous band that stretches several kilometers north from where we stand. From here, you can see how the city has been built in linear progression. Older properties replaced or renovated over time, newer ones rising to reshape the profile of the skyline. This section of the strip serves as the gateway to that full sequence, with each resort contributing a different style, theme, and structural approach. The view captures the balance of older design concepts, transitional renovations, and modern architectural updates, all visible in one direction. This vantage point offers a rare perspective on how the strip visually connects from south to north. It highlights the long timeline of development and the way each major project influenced the next, leaving a continuous architectural story stretching towards the horizon. Crossing the pedestrian bridge towards the MGM Grand, the pathway leads directly along the edge of Las Vegas Boulevard. From here, the green facade of the MGM complex becomes the dominant feature ahead, extending across the corner with its large exterior panels and long frontage facing the strip. The walkway curves gently towards the main entrance plaza, where the MGM scale becomes more apparent. This segment links New York, New York to the MGM side of the boulevard, creating one of the busiest pedestrian connections between the southern resorts. It also provides a clear view of the transition from themed architecture into the large contemporary structures that define this part of the strip.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.